Right. Let's get to digital strategy. How do you build a digital strategy focused on your business goals that is tailored for your business? When you do that futurized foundation, by the end of it, you will have a very clear idea of strategy, what your customer strategy is. You will know, but you'll start with understanding the importance of creating your financial goals and being very clear about it. A lot of business owners who come to us are not very clear of the financial goal they need to achieve in the next 12 months. You must be clear. If you're not clear, how do you, it's like getting into a car and not knowing where you're going. So you can't build a strategy if you don't have a clear financial goal. So if you're running a business or even a not-for-profit, you must have a clear financial goal. So when you build a strategy, there are three things you must do. The customer strategy. Once you've identified your ideal customers, you've got to then tailor your service strategy or your product strategy to fine-tune to your ideal customers. That's so important. And then how do you build a competitive strategy? And how long does it take? You might think, oh my goodness, how am I going to do this? Again, we built a time-efficient process that you can do this. We have a framework, a strategy framework that you can do it efficiently. Who is your ideal customer? Who is your ideal customer? Your ideal customer is the people you love working with, not those people who haggle with you, who are a pain in the ass to work with. But your ideal customers are the guys you love working with, and they love working with you. They pay you what you deserve because you are resolving one of their biggest problems, and that's why they come to you. But those people who haggle with you, they can get solutions from everywhere else, and they're not your ideal customers. So let them go. Because then, when you're absolutely focused on who your ideal customer is and you know who is not your customer, you're saving a lot of time focusing on those people. That's how you become time rich as opposed to be time poor. Your marketing dollars are only focused on those ideal customers, not these people. Your marketing effort is focused on them. Your delivery is focused on them. Your life becomes a pleasure. More importantly, once you start doing it, you will start getting transformational results, not incremental results, not 10% increases, but doubling your revenue. So you need to know who is not your customer very clearly. Create your customer personas. I don't have the time to show this, but in Futurized Foundation, we do that. We go into a lot of detail, do a lot of examples how to do that. And we need to know what they value. What is it that they value? What are their compelling problems? Not any problem. What are their biggest pain points? How do we know that? We've got to go and talk to them. We've got to do some research. Does it take a long time? Not if you know what to do. That's why knowledge is important. How does your solution fit their lives? Not the other way around. How does the product just fit them? No. How does it fit their lives? We've got to fine-tune our solutions to fit their life. That's the product strategy. That's your service strategy. And this is what Orville says, getting our messaging right has allowed us to target and attract the clientele we want to work with. Beautiful, isn't it? And not spend time on everybody else. So then he's operating with a lot more strength, a lot more energy, and he's getting more value for his time. And all the efforts of Orville and his business promoting delivers a better result.